Yeah, now these are my kind of family heirlooms.
You kept our armor.
I knew you'd be back. Probably with your ass on fire. Let me get that.
Kinda feels like I'm wearing a door.
Good. It's supposed to. Didn't get your name.
Kate.
Well, take good care of that armor, Kate.
It belonged to my mother.
Oh, what's that?
Just calling in a favor.
Speaking of favors, you probably want this back.
Thanks, Del. All right. Time to introduce the new cog to the old cog. And clear these bucketheads out of my house. Grab what you need. Should be enough to go around.
Oh, look what I found! Got him.
Through the wall!
Take him out!
Targets acquired. Lethal force authorized.
Yes! Dad, what's the plan here?
We gotta get to my truck!
Trust me, you won't get away so easy this time.
Ah, damn it! I just tuned it up! All right, new plan! Take out that Kestrel!
I'm tired of this little game, Sergeant.
Take it easy on the house!
Take out his engines!
Don't test my patience.
Hey, she's pulling out!
Is that it? Is she done?
I don't think so.
Oh, hell! More drop pods!
Comply with our
Are you
visa.
kidding me?
Negative containment. Hostile target spotted. Unlawful citizen spotted.
Kestrel's back! Take cover!
You have nowhere left to run.
Where the hell is she going?
Stop wrecking out!
Rockets are coming!
Your persistence in this capacity is infuriating.
Yeah! You almost got her!
God damn it.
Watch it! Rockets coming in!
Gotcha! Uh-oh. Oh, boy.
Well, shit.
So, Dad, the cog is still after us, your truck just blew up, and the house is on fire. Is there a plan B?
Yeah, there's a plan B. But it's down in the cellar. Grab some ammo and let's get out of here. downstairs!
Now this will do.
Unlawful citizens acquired.
Gotta get to the cellar!
Guys, this place is coming down.
Downstairs! Go! Get to the cellar!
That was close.
Dad, what are we doing? This is a dead end.
Not anymore.
Build an escape tunnel out of your own house.
Just follow me.
Dad, I visited Mom before we came in.
Okay.
When's the last time you cleaned up out there? You could grab a rake, you know.
I'll take that under advisement, James.
Do you even visit her anymore?
Guys, come on.
You want to know the last time I was out there?
Yeah, I do.
This morning. And the morning before that. Sorry about the leaves, James. We've got a little wind problem these days. Maybe you noticed. With any luck, Jin will think we didn't make it out of the house.
She's still gonna sweep the property.
Then we'll handle it.
Holy shit.
As I said, welcome home. All right, looks like we lost him. Let's cut through the garden.
Definitely didn't lose him. Condor incoming.
Shadow Shepherd destroyed!
Unlawful citizens acquired.
That's the big part! Another dead Shepherd! Heavy!
Guardian coming in.
Defiance notified. Defiance noted.
Destroyed!
Footage of your defiance has been logged and uploaded.
Shut up.
Antisocial behavior will not be tolerated.
Shield is down.
All right, through the greenhouse.
Dad, where the hell are we going?
To the barn.
And where's that?
The other side of the estate.
There's a dropship!
Shit, they're gonna mess up my fucking tomatoes!
Another dead Shepherd!
Unlawful citizens.
Another corridor! What the hell did you guys do?
Funny story, Dad. We have no idea. Good luck this time.
Let's keep moving. Just follow the path.
We got a wind flare coming in.
Everyone, back to the greenhouse, now!
No, the barrel shed is better shelter. We're almost there. All right, get inside.
A little help here? Shit! Drop pods! Take cover!
DB Shepard deployed. Assaulting. Hostile targets
Guardians
acquired.
coming in!
Engage.
I'm out!
Multiple contacts acquired. Activate suppression mode.
Another dead shepherd! One dead bot! That's all of them.
First my tomatoes, now this.
Dad, this wind flare's not letting up. We gotta move.
No, we hunker down here. Wait it out.
But isn't this building a little wooden?
It'll hold. Are you sure about that? It'll hold. Shit!
Condor, coming in! Hey, Condor, going down!
Not a goddamn word.
Oh, look at that!
Time to go.
The fire department's here.
Hey, can't do this alone.
Come on.
Major hardware failure. Maintenance required. Initiating relocation. Detainment system.
These give me the goddamn creeps.
I remember when DBs were just glorified garbage collectors. I said my piece when the Shepherds went online. Didn't help. Heads up! More DBs!
Ready to assist. Hostile contact.
Watch out! Shoot the shield!
small citizen tribe. Attacking! Suppression!
That's fine. Done.
So how many of these bots does Jin have anyway?
You really want to know?
See that windmill? That's where we're headed.
I thought we were going to a barn.
We are. They're right next to each other.
Is this your family's estate, Marcus?
No. It belonged to my late wife's family.
Mom loved it here. I'm just glad she didn't have to see any of this.
That makes two of us. Come on, we're almost there.
I forgot how big this place was.
Yeah, well, it's getting smaller by the moment.
Hey, you hear that?
Having fun, James?
Sure. Why? Aren't you?
Oh, it's always good to see you.
These two always like this?
It's usually more yelling.